Right. Awa ndo anonzi mafura mhepo chaiva. Uchinatsorwa kakofi kako pamafura mhepo. So panapa sekuziva kwenyu kuti every time I'm in Victoria Falls ndine ndiri padzimbabwe guest lodge. So zvandoda kuti ndinge ndiri ndinoita ka dombokuradzaiwo this apartment here. Ino yakanzi gazebo handiti. So I just want to show you inside here. Ino yakakura. Ino accommodate up to 10 people. Handiti. Up to 10 people, even the space itself. Inotokudza kutoti munopinda vanhu vakawanda. Chekutanga makauch edu. I like the colors. I love the color, the combination of colors inside this apartment. I think you can see couch ratinaro nemapillow achona. There is a mix of dark colors together with bright colors. And even the furniture itself, everything, even the curtains, you see kuti everything is mwah. And mukada kucheka this corner, the television set, this one here, I think it's a 55, 55 inch. Yekuti munhu wese kana ari mumba anogona kuona table yedu. And also apo tine panapa tine a very beautiful, of course, a beautiful dining table. Accommodate up to 6 people. And up to 6 people. The space, what I love about this apartment, it is the space that we have here. And also, the self-catering. And this one here, it is called a self-catering apartment, whereby you can bring your own food stuff. A lot of people will be saying, when you go out, when you go to holidays, chinodhura ikoko, it's accommodation, also with food. But here, you have got a chance that you can bring your own food stuff. You can bring your own tomatoes, your own mealie meal, your own meat, and then zvese zvamunoda munenge munazvo in this kitchen. Here there is a 4-place stove, of course, with an oven inside there, a microwave. We've got a toaster. We've got almost everything. A kettle. We've got there's a refrigerator. Of course, it's an upright refrigerator with a water dispenser. If you check here, the space. Yes, there you can put your meat, you can put your veggies, you can put your drinks, just like the way you do it at home, right? Just like how you do it at home. Another thing I like about this kitchen, the artwork, the lights. You can see these lights. There's a big window here, and there's a big window, and you have got almost everything. The space itself, if you check here, you see that we've got almost everything. Some water glass, here there's sugar, there's tea, there's almost everything. If you check here, some plates, I'm sure there are some pots as well somewhere. Yes, you just bring your food stuff. We've got some pots here. Kurauti zoni unokwanisa kutobikira muri yako uri panapa. Handiti unokwanisa kutobikira muri yako uri panapa kana kutomwa coffee sezvandiri kuita. So here again there's another space yekuti maybe munenge vatadza kukwana apo vana vanogona kuuya vogara panapa vodya vakasununguka. Handiti vodya vakasununguka. Hey, this artwork here, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. What do you think? It's beautiful, eh? Amazing. Yes, it is amazing. Right. So, and then my bedrooms. So here we've got our first bedroom. This one here, this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Right. I know very well that vamwe vedu tichiri netuvana tudiki kekuti akagone kurara kure nemaparents. So this bed, and this is a king size, queen size, king size bed. Handina ndozoziva zvangu. Pababa namai. Baba namai vanoya vorara panapa, and then kababy kamwe kai. This is an extra bed for your baby. And panapa, just like another room, vane safe vanozoti vanhu vanouya kumaholidays sometimes vanotakura mavaluables, majewelries, also cash. So there is a safe yenyu, handiti safe yenyu. Panapa pane tumachairs tokuti baba namai mokwanisa kudyira muno kana kutoshanda panapa, handiti vamwe vedu tinofamba nemabasa, so you need a table where you'll be working your laptop. Tikada kucheka panapa, there's a television set and also a DSTV blower ramai. Here we've got a refrigerator yekuti madrinks enyu mudhara mune mabhotoro enyu amune muchida kumwa muri mega munoisa munomu. There's a coffee station here, and if you check here, every bed is having its own mosquito nets, isn't it? And if you check at the artwork, there's that one is a lion, king of the jungle. Yes, I love the fact that each and every room is having an AC. This is an AC for this room, some beautiful curtains, an extra chair. Maybe mdara murudo mboverenga zvenyu newspaper. Perfect. You can read your novel sitting here. If you check also, there are some side lights. Kuitira kuti kana madzimai malights mamwe ese ende chibaba moda umboita zvamuroda kuita to read your Bible, you can do it. And if you come to this side, there is a closet. This one is a closet, and in this closet there is a wardrobe, of course, a very huge wardrobe. Maybe you are here for some days and you want to unpack your stuff, just unpack them and put them inside there. When you change, there's an HD mirror rekuti unokwanisa kuzviona from kubva pasi to your head. Unogona kuzviona zvakanaka sezvamuri kutoona kuti ndatozviona. Unobva wagaina confidence wapedza kuzviona kunzwa kuti handini chibaba, Uncle Saint. But usati wauya panapa usamhanyirira apa. There is a bathroom, so you need to a tub panapa. Sezvamuri kuona tub yako uzadza mvura samudhara namomuzi mombokweshana panapa. Kana musingade izvozvo, panapa pane shower, and there's a sink, there's a HD mirror yekuti mune muchizvionaona kuti which is which. So ndozvayakaita also a toilet pan here. Ndozvayakaita inoi iri ndo master bedroom. And just a quick one, I just want to show you some other two bedrooms. Just a quick one. Right? Ndofunga ndakuradza panapa, ndakuradza uko. So now I just want to show you which one first. Come and see this one. So in this room there are 3 separate beds. Yes, 3 separate beds. This is the second room. So here is a first bed. These are single beds, meaning only one person can sleep on these beds. Yes, so in these beds, as you can see, there is a headboard. There's a side table on each and every bed, and also there is a dressing table. Yes, dressing table. There's a safe, just like any other room. There's an AC and a fan, and also here kandakambotaura kuti zoni unogona kugara panapa upfeka boots dzako obva wasunga mashoeless and you are good to go. There's a wardrobe for this room. Another thing I like about this room is huge. It's huge, and to accommodate 3 people, enough space for 3 people. Yes, vanogona vari vana, even vana vakuru, they can use this room. Also, there's another bedroom. Come and see. So in this bedroom, it's having 2 beds. 2 beds. There's a double bed and there is a single bed. Yes, meaning this room can accommodate 3 people. Let's say you are 2 couples, and the master bedroom inogonoshaniswa neanother couple ine kamwana kunogona kushandiswa neanother couple vane kamwana zvakare kurara panapa zviri separate kubva pabed yavo. Also there is a wardrobe iyo yamuri kuona apo. There is an HD mirror iro riri panapa rekuti munogona kuzviona. Also there is a dressing table, nekakona kedu keke kati achireva kuti kekudi kuti uchipfeka muchiita zvamuri kuita. Also there is an extra chair, and extra chair, a safe, and that one there is a safe yekuti munogona kuchengetera mari yenyu. So ndo zvakaitawo this apartment sezvamaona kuti inokwana vanhu 3, inokwana vanhu 3 munomu, inokwana futi vanhu 3. So it's an apartment for a total of 9. Ndofunga ndati 10 pekutanga ndidi. It's an apartment inokwanisa kuaccommodata vanhu 9. So as a family munogona kuuya kuholiday and then motora this apartment, and this apartment, and these two sezvamaona kuti hakuna toilet, they share same bathroom and same toilet, which is this one, and which is this one, and okay, the other one. Yes. So here, as you can see, since inenge ishandiswa nevanhu vakawanda, umwe anogona ari mutoilet, there is a door here, umwe anogona ari mutoilet, and umwe anogona futi ari mutoilet muno, there is a door. So ari mutoilet hadisturbewe neada kugeza. Panapa tine an extra toilet, and museri mune toilet, there is an extra toilet. There is a shower mekuti munogona kugezera panapa. There is a sink iyo yekuti mapedza kugeza kana kubuda mutoilet you can wash your hands. There is an HD mirror. So this makes this apartment perfect even for a big family. So some other people would be struggling kuti isusu a big family, zvatiri a big family, tinoenda sei kuholiday. I found you a good deal. This is a good deal. If you want to come to Victoria Falls, just get in touch with them pa number ziri pa screen. Even if you want to come as a group, my friends moda kuuya, my baby moda kuuya, all you need to do is to get in touch with them. And more without zoni, there's a special yatakaona iri kutaurwa pa Saint TV. Toda kuuya ku Victoria Falls. Vanobva kugamuchirai nemaoko mairi. I've tried. From Uncle saying the only Zim uncle, much love.